Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the maximum volume limiter for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app, and then it will open for you the headphones menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones here. Then you need to scroll down, and right here we have maximum volume limiter. So to enable it, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it, if the slider have empty background. To disable this mode, you need to also tap on time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.